Hello, friends. Welcome to the Cloud Universe. Myself, Naveen. We will learn how to write ReadMe.md file in GitHub. .md, MD stands for Markdown. So, in this ReadMe.md file, we specify the description or information about the code or repo, etc. So, I already have opened my readme.md file in GitHub. GitHub. I'll share the link to this repo under the description of this video. The first one is headings. How to put headings in readme.md file. So for that, you have to use hash character like this. Headings. You can use three levels of headings like this. Heading 1. Remember to leave a space after the hash symbol. Heading 2. Heading 3. So heading 1 will be in a bigger text, and heading 2 will be less bigger text compared to heading 1. Similarly, heading 3 will be less bigger text compared to heading 2. I'll commit this to show you how it looks like. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Heading 1 with bigger text, heading 2 little lower text, and heading 3 more little lower text than heading 2. Next one is how to put styling for the text. Styling the text. Assume I want to put some text in bold. For that, I have to use uh, two stars and the text which I want to make it as bold and end with two stars like this. And similarly, uh, italic text. For that, I have to use an underscore and then text. End with underscore. I'll commit it and show you how it looks like. Uh, this text is made bold and this text is italicized. Next one will be strike through. That is, if you want to strike through some text. For that, you have to use tilde operator and end with two tilde operators, it will be, that text will become strike through. This is how it looks like. The next one would be bold and nested italic. I already have an example here with me. I'll just copy paste here. For that, use two stars at the end and two stars at the end and beginning, and the text which you want to make it italic, just put it under underscores. We'll also take one more example of if all bold and italic. If you want to put some text in completely bold and italic, then use uh, three stars at the beginning and end of the texts. So this is how it looks like. Here, extremely is uh, italicized, and this complete text is bold and italic. The next one is subscript and superscript. I already have an example with me. I just copy and paste it here. This is a subscript text. This is a superscript text. The text which you want to subscript or superscript, just put that text in between sub and end of sub, sup super end of super text. Commit it. This is how it looks like. Next one is quoting of some text. I'll show that example here. I want to quote this text. So what you have to do is use this character, that is greater than symbol, with the text. So this is how it looks like. This text is a quote and it comes with quoted text. The next one is quoting of code. How to do that? Yeah. So I want to put this code into a block. Uh, the code can be in anything. It's just a small program. If you want to put some different code or commands, anything in a block, then you have to use this syntax. So this is how it looks like. This piece of code or program is quoted inside a box. Now, if you want to put some links in your readme.md file, then put that link inside the braces like this, and put the text which represents this link inside the square brackets like this. We'll show you how it looks like. So this site was built using the text which represents this link. You can click on this link and it will navigate to that particular page. How to put images in the readme.md file? It is like this. Start with an exclamation mark. Put the text which represents this image inside the square braces, and put that link to that image inside the braces. Commit it. Let's see how it looks like. So image is added to your readme.md file. The next one is interesting topic, that is lists. How to display a list in the readme.md file. I have an example. Okay, we have many types of lists, that is unordered lists, ordered lists, and nested lists. How to we'll see all these one by one. First, we'll see ordered lists. Sorry, unordered lists. Uh, you can list all your things, all your items using the hyphen or star or plus symbol, whichever whichever symbol you want to use, you can use that. So this is how an unordered list looks like. Next, we'll look for ordered list. For ordered list, you just have to use the numbers 1, 2, 3 like this, and with those items. So ordered list, the items are ordered. Next is nested list. So this is your first item, under which there is one more item called first nested list item, under which there is one more called second nested list item. So this is nested list. You have to use hyphens with enough number of spaces under each line, under each item, to make it nested. So this is how it looks like. The next one is tasks list. uh, if you want to put some tasks which is completed, which is not completed, so these two are not completed tasks, and this is completed task. So for that, you just have to use hyphen inside the square braces, put x and that number. It can be a PR, it can be a bug, it can be an issue, whatever. So to show that this is already completed, a check mark is already added here. It represents that this task is already completed and these two are pending. Next is, if you want to mention some team or some team member, for that, mentioning people and teams, for that you have to use an @ symbol, GitHub/support like this. Or if you have your own team, then you can put that team name here. You can also use a team member's name here, uh, and tag that person here with @ symbol. So this is how it looks like. Next one is alerts. For example, if you want to make some text as note or some text as important, highlight that text as important, or you want to warn the user about a particular text or cautions, all those things. For that, I already have an example with me. I'll just copy paste it here and I'll explain. Alerts. So for alerting, you can use note, tip, important, warning, caution like this. Put that those keywords inside the inside the square braces, of course, with the greater than symbol, and then that text. Of course, it is for a note, it is for tip, helpful advice for doing things better or more easily, to represent the something is important, some warning or some caution. I'll commit it to show you uh, how does it look. Yeah, so this is note, tip, important text, warning, caution. So you're alerting the user about these texts. I mean, with these texts, and you can also specify emojis. How to use emojis? So it will be like put that emoji in between colons, in between colons like this. Okay. Uh, I'll commit it and show you how it looks like. Th- Thumbs up symbol and a man with hat. So these are the emojis which you can show, which you can put in your README file under two colons. Okay, and where do you find those emojis? You can just click on this link. I'll provide the GitHub link under the description of this video. The next one is footnotes. So assume you want to reference something in your text. For example, this text with some reference, and this text with some reference, that is two. So these two references are put at the end, at the end of the page. So inside the square braces, you have to put those reference numbers. Let me commit it to show you how it looks like. So here is a simple footnote. The reference is this one, and a footnote can also have multiple lines. The second reference is this one. So by clicking on these references, the control will move to that particular reference. So this is how you can write readme.md file in GitHub. And thanks for watching.